I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to stop TikTok tracking your activity across other apps you use on your Apple iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Step 2. Scroll down to the bottom of this menu and then tap Apps. Step 3. Tap TikTok in this menu. The next screen shows you settings for the TikTok app on your iPhone or iPad. Step 4. Tap to toggle off Allow Tracking. TikTok will no longer be allowed to track your activity across other apps going forward on your iPhone or iPad. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.